Right, hello again. It's been a long break, but it's nice to be back with the Daily Shed. So, welcome to episode 88 of the Daily Shed, and today I'm going to be showing a fingerstyle basic maneuver, as I do every Monday, kind of for those starting in fingerstyle or just want to get back to some of the basics of it. And your thumb is extremely important in fingerstyle. It's, I don't know if I'd call it finger number one, but it pretty much is. You use it a lot in fingerstyle. It very often provides the base, but provides a lot of other possibilities as well. You will use it a lot. So today I'm just going to show something to get your thumb used to jumping around between strings and using a few basic chords. Start with just a G major, and it's a very simple idea. Your thumb will move between the strings of the chord, and on alternate beats, alternately, you'll use a finger to play a single chord note. So in this case, use your index finger on the top string, the high E, and your thumb going between each of the other notes. So start on the first string, then the high E, so the low E and the high E, then the B, then the high E, then the D, then the high E, the G, high E, and the B. So like this. You want to do it really even and regular. It's great to have a metronome with you and just go through it like that, just alternating. And you want to get really even. Be right on the beat, and make sure your thumb doesn't cut off any of the tones at all. Or just get your thumb used to going between the strings very cleanly like that, and then switch to a C and do the same thing. Now starting on the second string down, you won't use the low E string at all. And again, start on the root of the chord, the C on the A string, and then play the top string, the high E, with your index, so like this, and then go through each of the chords, each of the notes of the chord. Only 4 here. And go back to the G. Have it very even and regular, and as you're using the metronome, increase the speed as you get comfortable with it. Eventually just try to get into a really nice space with it. It just becomes just kind of like the flow of a river, just real smooth, real even like that. So I hope this is useful to you. Please let me know any comments or questions you might have, and as always, thank you so much for watching.